In this video, I'm going to cover how to make this very simple but super effective rig for kingfish, snapper and mulloway. Let's dive in. So for this rig, all we're going to need is some leader line suitable for whatever you're actually targeting, a couple of octopus hooks, a few glow beads, a sinker weight, size will depend on current and water depth, a swivel, and a 3.5 to 4 inch skirt. That's pretty much everything we're going to need. Okay, so to start, we just need about 1 meter of leader line, and we're just going to tie on our first hook. Now, in terms of the knot you use, just use whichever knot you're most comfortable with, because the knot you tie best is always going to be the strongest knot. No point using a fancy knot if you can't tie it properly. Now, regardless of which knot you use, make sure no matter what, you always lubricate your line before you pull your knot nice and tight. Otherwise, the friction can fray your line, which will weaken it pretty drastically. Then cut off the tag. When you cut your tag end off, make sure you always leave a little bit. I've seen too many people cut it a bit too close. Now, we're gonna add a single glow bead. And bring it all the way down to the hook, so it sits right above the hook. And then for our second hook, we are going to snell it on. Whoop. So for our second hook, we're just going to snell it on. Distance between your hooks is going to depend on the size of your bait, right? So for this rig, it's primarily going to be targeted towards snapper. So I'm using 5/0 hooks, and I'm going to be using pilchards. So you have your hooks about 2 inches apart. So from the top of this hook to the start of this hook, have it about 5 centimeters or 2 inches apart. And then you just want to snell it on. Now the important thing with the snell is it's really important that each wrap is nice and tight and is right up against the previous wrap. And then you just continue until you get about 1/3 of the way down the hook. Just keep your line nice and tight, work your way down, each wrap right up against the previous wrap. And then you want to make sure you pinch your line so it stays in place. Grab the tag end of your leader, pass it back through the eye of the hook, and then just pull your leader straight through. And then now you can pull it nice and tight, and that's your second hook snelled on. Now what we're going to do next is feed on another glow bead to sit right above this hook. Then we're going to feed our sinker on. Now the size of your sinker is going to depend on water depth as well as how strong the current is. So the stronger the current, deeper the water, bigger your sinker will be. Now we'll feed the sinker straight down to sit right above the bead. Now we're gonna pop our skirt on. If you're going to be using this rig for kingies or for mulloway, you skip the skirt and you would use probably 8/0 hooks, because you're most likely going to be using a whole bait. So you'd want to use slightly larger hooks. Now because we're chasing snapper and we're not going to be using whole squid or whole bait fish, we're going to add the skirt, just sit right above the sinker weight. So now we've got our bottom hook glow bead, our second hook which is snelled on, another glow bead, then your sinker weight and your skirt sitting right above the sinker. And then the final step is to basically tie on your swivel. Now for the swivel, the closer you can get it to your skirt, the better. If you're not using a skirt, then the closer to your sinker weight, the better. I'm just going to use a union knot, which I use for pretty much everything. It's an excellent knot, but again, if you don't know the union knot, it's fine. Use whichever knot you're most comfortable with, because the strongest knot is definitely always the knot that you tie best. So pop that on and do one more. It'll be easier for you guys to tie your knots if your tag isn't as long. So that's one thing. Now form the knot, and then before we pull it nice and tight, lubricate the water. Now I just have a little container off screen that I use just to lubricate the line, and then we're gonna pull it nice and tight like so, and then just cut our tag off. Remember to always leave a little tag, just a millimeter or two. Don't go too short in case you have any slippage. And that's pretty much the rig done. Now, a very important note, guys. If you're using a mono main line, you can tie your main line straight to this swivel. If you're using braid, which most people do, you want to make sure you're using 1.5 meters of leader. So you'll tie an FG knot from your leader line to your braid, about 1.5 meters long, and then you tie that leader to this swivel. Don't tie braid directly to the rig. You need some stretch in your line, especially if you're going to be using it for kingfish or mulloway. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.